Hey everybody, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport, scooterwest.com for all things Vespa. Check us out on our online store, scooterwest.com. Here I got a GTS 300. I'm going to show you the second easiest to install accessory. I showed you the first one. If you watched the previous video, I showed you how to put the fuel cap on. I haven't done a video about the fuel cap, but that was the first one, other than my my great attempt at how to fill up a Vespa, which is actually harder than changing the fuel cap. This is like borderline about the same difficulty as filling up the fuel tank on your Vespa. On pretty much all models that have this liter style motor, that's pretty much the ET4s from the 2000s all the way to the LX, the GT200, GTS 250, GTS 300, all the way up to 2019. They've had this similar style belt cover with this center cover that pries right off. And it's always been Vespa. It's not normally black. We do have the black one available. Replacement part for this cover in the chrome finish is CM155106. And if you search for that on our website, you can find all the different variations, including gloss black. And there's also a satin, a silver one that's been found. So that cover comes off. Much like those Harley guys, you got to change your timing cover. That's the little rite of passage on a modern Vespa. You got this little cover you can change out. I'll show you one of the cool covers we have. You saw how easy it was to remove. If we're going to do one of these new trick covers, you got to pull these little rubber guys out. Some of the early clutch covers, as they call that, don't actually use that. Those are rubber things. But here we got these new anodized aluminum machine covers. Pretty affordable, simple to install option on your scooter. It's got our Vespa Motorsport logo laser engraved in it. You got anodized black and red, along with just a standard clear aluminum anodized finish. They attach with a set of 3 screws and well nuts, and I'll show you how those work. Pretty simple. So pretty simple to install. You can see the basic hardware that's included. Those are referred to as well nuts. They have a brass insert with threads and a rubber diaphragm that expands when you tighten the screw. So before you install the well nuts in the belt cover, kind of want to push them through. Sometimes they have some flashing from the manufacturer process. Pretty much they just go in place of those rubber plugs on the 3 holes that mount the standard plasticky cover. Just pop those guys in. Don't push them too far because they'll go into the transmission cover. I mean, you could take the transmission cover and retrieve them, but I don't think you want to leave them in there. They'll get chewed up by the belt. So you pop those 3 guys in there. You pick one of the covers you want. Give you the look of the red one. Looks pretty cool. You got the more subtle looking silver cover. And we're going to go for the black cover because this scooter's got a lot of black accents, and I was going to replace that painted plastic one. So you got 3 stainless steel screws. You need a 3mm Allen key of some sort. And all you got to do is just carefully put the screw in. Don't push it. Just start threading it. I'm not putting any pressure on it. And once it starts catching, that's where you want to start. So do that with all 3 positions. You know, kind of just, see, I'm just spinning the Allen. And once you get all the screws started, then we can tighten this down. So pretty simple to install. Like I said, it just takes a little finesse and getting the screws all to catch the well nuts. So now that we got all the screws started, you can just go ahead and rotate them and go each one. And is what occurs is it's going to start swelling up those well nuts. And it feels like you're never tightening it, but see how that screw's tight all the way? And I'm not putting that much pressure, but the whole idea is those rubber things swell up inside the belt cover, and it's starting to get a little tighter, but that's how those guys work. A lot of motorcycle fairings use those style nuts. It's not commonly used on Piaggio or Vespa products, but pretty neat design, you know, because they rubber isolate the belt, you know, the product you're mounting. So they're all snug enough. I wouldn't call them tight. It's not like tightening a screw, but you can feel there's a lot more friction in all 3 of them. and the cover's nice and tight. And that's as far as you want to take it. So there you go, easy way to dress up your scooter. Hope everybody found that pretty helpful on the second easiest to install product for a Vespa, short of filling your gas, which is a pretty difficult task sometimes on these. This is Robot here from Vespa Motorsport. Check out our website, scooterwest.com, for all accessories for the Vespas, both modern and vintage. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have well over 400 videos, mostly modern Vespas, many vintage Vespa videos, how-tos. You want to do your own service, we got you covered. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Vespa Motorsport. Follow me, Robot Vespa. Till next time, Robot here.